Hi, today let's make tasty home style chicken fry. Trust me, this is a lovely, simple, tasty recipe but packed with flavor. I would definitely recommend you trying this. First things first, you need to take cleaned and washed chicken. Here I've taken boneless chicken. If you like chicken with bones, please go ahead and add it. Now I'm marinating the chicken with salt, turmeric powder, coriander powder, garam masala powder, kitchen king powder, kitchen king masala, which is easily available, ginger garlic paste. Marinate it overnight or 5 minutes before. If you're doing meal prep, you can marinate and keep it in the fridge. Now in the pan I've added oil. Once oil has heated, I'm adding it. I'm adding the marinated chicken slowly one by one. And then what you need to do is cook the chicken on medium flame. If you keep it on high flame, the chicken tend to cook from outside but it'll be raw from inside. So you need to flip it every 2 to 3 minutes and then cook it really very well and keep it aside. Now in the same pan I've added in butter. Now let the butter melt beautifully. Once the butter has melted, next add in some sliced onions. Once you've added in sliced onions, now I've added in chopped ginger, chopped garlic, chopped green chilies, and now I'll be adding in some curry leaves as well. If you like it spicy, increase the green chilies and toss it really very well. Please see to that when you're tossing this, toss it on a high flame because we don't need that soggy kind of onion. We need it to be, cooked but still on that crispy side because it gives a different taste to our chicken recipe. Now I've added in the cooked chicken and toss it really very well. See to that each and every piece of chicken is beautifully coated with that onion, ginger, garlic, curry leaves. It's a lovely simple recipe but yet flavorful. This goes really very well with your rice or rasam. This side would work well with your rice and dal as well, or just like a starter, or if you have sudden somebody guest coming home. Try this recipe and definitely you'll get a lot of compliments for this. Finally, check for the salt, garnish it up with some fresh coriander leaves, and your super simple, super tasty home style chicken fry recipe is ready to serve. If you want a little bit of chatpata, you can squeeze in some lemon juice, but it's completely optional. Now our home style chicken fry, hot home style chicken fry is ready. You can, as I said, you can have it with dal rice or even plain rice, or even serve it as a starter. And to increase the spiciness, you can add in a lot of green chilies as well. If you like my recipe, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Please note the measurement and the ingredients are on the screen. As I always say, don't forget to support me. Enjoy.